They say massacre. This brother always want this. Yo, but like how the man go further down in the song. You see me? I mean, I show you say, yo, it's full of so much counteraction, dog. If you listen to it carefully, the man counteract everything. The man beat up the man face wicked. The man will go back in a time and say, yo, which rich badness you talk about? The man say you can't pay your rent.
Which rich badness and can't pay your rent?
The people them where you owe are come back for every what?
And that does more talk.
Talk. No, that be showing me I tell you say that the man intellect, the man I think, the man intellect, the man I think, the man I do it flawlessly. And the man I show you how clash work. That is how clash work, dog. You say something and me counteract it and you
that's a good counteraction.
Dog.
Me never lie.
That alone at 10,000 points.
This is when I come about 10,000 points. Yeah, dear brother. Me tell you already. Dirthday, I want to wiki this song. Right now, me know say Massacre in my bar, because I say to himself, say, Bumbleclot.
Dog.
Can't believe say man do this.
Tell Tommy Lee if release the secret them when you say them have for Massacre.